Hi everyone, this is Prashad, your English fluency guide. Welcome to my channel Prashadu Putnuru. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video from my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you important topic in grammar. So please watch the video until the end of the video. Please don't try to skip it because I don't want you to miss the important points from this video. Thank you all. Let's begin the video. Let's not waste any time. um, uh, Tenses, how to identify the tense. There are three main tenses in English. You all know that: present, past and future. Take one verb, for example, go is present tense, okay. Went is past tense, and will or shall plus v1 is future tense. Present, past and future, okay. If this in the sentence, if v1, the first form of the verb, is there, for example, I go, okay, subject is there, I, doer of the action, next first form of the verb is there, that is present tense, okay. If the second form of the verb, for example, went, v2, in the sentence, if second form of the verb is there, that is past simple tense. Easily we can identify. So we can identify the present tense, v1, subject plus v1, present tense, and subject plus v2 is past tense. Subject plus shall or will plus v1, future tense, okay. Here every tense has four subtenses. Present tense has four subtenses, and past tense has four subtenses, and future tense has four subtenses. Totally we have 12 tenses. If you are good at these 12 tenses, if you are able to identify the tenses, if you know how to use these tenses, okay, as per the situation, then you will be able to speak well. So any beginner starts with tenses because this is important. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to remember all these 12 tenses, okay. So please pay attention and listen to me carefully. You will be able to understand if you concentrate. So the subtenses of the present tense: present simple, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. In the same manner, past tense also past tense also has four subtenses: past simple tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. In the same way, future tense also has four subtenses. They are future simple, future continuous tense, future perfect, future perfect continuous tenses. So first of all, let's identify the simple tenses: present simple tense, past simple tense, and future simple tense. Already I told you, if v1 is there, present simple tense. If v2 is there in the sentence, past simple tense. If subject plus will or shall plus v1 is there, future simple tense. So out of 12 tenses, already we learned three tenses. How to identify these three tenses: subject plus v1, present simple tense; subject plus v2, past simple tense; subject plus will or shall plus v1, future simple tense. For example, I go, present simple tense; I went, past simple tense; I shall go, future simple tense. So out of 12 tenses, we learned 3. So remaining 9. How to identify the remaining 9? Ing form, in the sentence, ing form is there, continuous tense. Simply you have to remember, if ing form is there, that is continuous tense. What continuous tense? Present continuous, or past continuous, or future continuous tense? Here you have to learn the structure. Subject plus is, am, are plus v1 plus ing, present continuous tense. For example, I am going, present continuous tense. Ing form is there, continuous first of all. Am plus v1 plus ing is there, that is why present continuous tense. Or is plus v1 plus ing, present continuous tense. Or are plus v1 plus ing form, present continuous tense, okay. I am going, she is going, he is going, they are going, okay. Now let's identify past continuous tense. Subject plus was or plus was or were plus v1 plus ing form. Here in the present tense, is, am, are plus v1 plus ing. But in the past continuous tense, was or were plus v1 plus ing form. Instead of I am going, you can say I was going. Instead of they are going, you can say they were going. That is past continuous tense. So we identified present continuous and past continuous tense. How to identify the future continuous tense? Subject plus will be or shall be plus v1 plus ing form, okay. So I will be going, I shall be going, he will be going is example for future continuous tense. So we identify the present simple tense, past simple tense, and future simple tense. Three tenses over. Next, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. 6 over. Remaining 6 tenses. How to identify the remaining 6 tenses? Let's talk about that. Next one, perfect tenses. V3, subject plus has or have plus V3, present perfect. Subject plus either has or have plus V3, present perfect. For example, I have gone, present perfect tense. He has gone, she has gone, present perfect. Now how to identify the past perfect? Subject plus had plus V3.